Dear children, today in your grammar class, I am going to teach you how to use the first set of conjunctions. First of all, please recall your previous learning. Already you have learned how to use third and fourth set of conjunction and their parallel prepositional phrases. You know, third set of conjunctions like so, as, since, because and the prepositional phrases like on account of and because of should be used for speaking about the positive work and their positive result. Whereas the fourth set of conjunctions like but, yet, though, although and even though and the prepositional phrase in spite of should be used for the positive work and their unexpected accidental result. I hope you have understood third and fourth set of conjunction and how to make use of them. Now today we will see how to use the first set of conjunctions and the parallel prepositional phrases. Now you can refer the tabular column once again. The first set of coordinating conjunctions like and at once or and immediately should be used to talk about the two quick immediate works of a person. For example, our first sentence is Mukesh saw the red signal. Mukesh saw the red signal is the first sentence, and our second sentence is he stopped his car. In this example, the idea of the second sentence is not the result of the first action. The second work is done by Mukesh quickly. So, these sentences can be connected with the help of first set of coordinating conjunctions like and at once or and immediately. Now, we will get the compound sentence. Our compound sentence is Mukesh saw the red signal and at once or and immediately he stopped his car. To change this compound sentence into complex sentence, we should use subordinating conjunctions either as soon as or when. First of all, remove and at once and immediately. Use the subordinating conjunctions as soon as or when. Now we have got the complex sentence. Our complex sentence is as soon as or when Mukesh saw the red signal, he stopped his car. Now I hope you have understood well how to make compound and complex sentences. Now to convert these compound and complex sentences, we can use the parallel prepositional phrase on plus verb ing, that is a participle phrase. Step 1. Remove the conjunctions as soon as or when from the complex sentence. Use the preposition on. Step 2. Remove the noun Rakesh. Step 3. Along with the preposition on, use the first verb's ing form. Now the phrase is on seeing the red signal. Step 4. In the second part of the sentence, instead of pronoun he, that means remove the pronoun he and use a proper noun Rakesh. Now our simple sentence is ready. Our simple sentence is on seeing the red signal, Rakesh stopped his car. If you find any difficulty in understanding this first set, please hear the above explanation again twice or thrice. After understanding, do the below exercise. After seeing and hearing audio and video, send thumbs up emoji. After doing the exercise, send the answer in my personal WhatsApp number All the best. See you soon. Bye children.